Feeling stuck in the maze of work permit applications? Endless paperwork, confusing processes, and unresponsive agencies making you doubt if the dream is even worth it? You're not alone. For so many, the journey to working in Europe feels overwhelming and out of reach. But what if it didn't have to be this way? Imagine a streamlined, transparent process where every step is clear and you're in complete control. This is where Stellar Migration changes everything. We don't just guide you. We simplify the entire process from start to finish. First, we assess your eligibility, giving you a clear path forward. Then, we help with the documentation, ensuring every detail is accurate and complete. We liaise directly with employers and immigration authorities, so you don't have to deal with the back and forth. And here's the game changer. We provide you with login details for every program, giving you real-time updates and control over your application. No more guesswork, no more frustration, just results. At Stellar Migration, we're not just a service. We're your partner in making the dream of working in Europe a reality. Don't let delays or uncertainty hold you back. Contact Stellar Migration today and take the first step toward your Europe work permit. Your future starts now. Let's make it simple and successful.